Hello and welcome to Spain, home to many vibrant cities, each with its own distinct character. Join me on this tour to Spain's 3 UNESCO World Heritage cities: Segovia, Avila, and Toledo. Segovia is famous for its well-preserved Roman aqueduct, a feat in engineering, with its impressive scale and magnificence conserved at its excellent state throughout the centuries, and offers stunning views of the city and surrounding landscape. Segovia is also famous for its majestic Alcazar, a royal palace and fortress for the Castilian monarch, which features a fairy tale-like architecture. It also boasts the charming Gothic cathedral, one of the last Gothic designs built in Europe, and its medieval streets and historical buildings. Then we move on to the medieval fortress city of Avila, another UNESCO World Heritage site known for its impressive city walls, notable for being one of the best preserved and most complete examples of medieval fortifications in Europe. The walls are remarkably intact and shows its original structure and design. And last but not the least, we will explore Toledo. Considered a city of 3 cultures, Toledo boasts extensive monumental and cultural heritage with a unique blend of Christian, Muslim, and Jewish influences. We will visit its famous Toledo Cathedral, an impressive example of high Gothic-style architecture. Its exceptional collection of art and historical artifacts, the vast interior with its towering naves and intricate details, its sacristy and stained glass windows are sights to behold. In the cathedral's distinguishing feature, the transparent, a 3D window up in the ceiling which illuminates light into the intricate sculptural art and painting of the ascended saints in heaven, a truly remarkable work. Toledo has also a long tradition of sword making and other metalwork crafts, with Toledo steel being known for its hardness and was historically used by Roman legion and is still crafted today. We will drop by one of its sword-making and metalwork factories and learn how these are made. Enjoy the rest of this video and check the description below for more details.
On the square, in there, we're going to give you a free time. shield with two heads at the front. And where can you see that shield? There's a boat there. At the same time, with different songs. Okay, they play all of them at the same time, so it's very nice. The cathedral provides 10 songs, and the population has to guess which song they're playing. Okay, so the people know.
Un poquito.